How to create a reel on Facebook. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily create a reel on Facebook. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your Facebook app and make sure that you are logged in. Now, in order to create a new reel, you can tap on the plus icon right beside the search. And then from here, you can select different options. Just select reel. And once you do that, you should be able to select any video from your gallery, or if you want to instantly record something, just tap on this camera icon up top. I'm just going to select a random video from my gallery. So here is the video that I've chosen. So I'm gonna have an option to add audio to this reel. Then you could also add different kind of text as well as effects and stickers. So once you're done editing your reel, you could just go ahead and go back, tap on next, and then from here tap on share now. You could choose your default audience. I'm going to leave it at public and then tap on share now and you're good to go. That's how you basically create a reel on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.